Welcome to the Amica Insurance Seattle Marathon 2008 Water Station Training video. In this video, we will go over the setup and procedures for running a water station at the Amica Insurance Seattle Marathon and Half Marathon. Thousands of runners and walkers will pass by each water station location, so it is important to know the best way to serve them. Each station will have a Smart Move storage unit filled with the following items: tables, banners, latex gloves, stirring paddle, plastic pitchers, trash bin, barrel liners, duct tape, first aid supplies, water barrel, rake, Gatorade mix, Gatorade barrel, Gatorade cups, Talking Rain water jugs, Talking Rain cups, and instructions. There will be 2 GOO stations on our course where runners can pick up packets of GOO Energy Gel, Water Station 6 and Water Station 10. For these stations, the storage unit will include packets of the energy gel. Arrive at your station at the time designated by your water station volunteer lead and locate your Smart Move storage unit. Attached to the front of the unit will be a plastic sheet protector with instructions as well as your unit's lock key. If your storage unit is not in its designated location, or if you are unable to find the plastic sheet protector with the unit's lock key, contact the water coordinator immediately. Your water station lead will provide you with the appropriate phone numbers. Follow the setup directions closely so that there will be consistency between all of the water stations. This way, runners will know what to expect. Unlock the storage unit and begin by setting up all tables and hanging up all banners, as per the diagram included in the instructions. You may then set up the rest of your supplies. The first table runners should see is the first aid table, and then the Talking Rain water tables, and finally the Gatorade tables. At stations 6 and 10, the GOO Energy Gel tables will follow the Gatorade tables. Your water station lead will assign you to either the water team or the Gatorade team. The water team will place barrel liners in each water barrel and duct tape 2 sides. Always put on latex gloves before handling cups and drinks. Fill the water barrel for your water supply. Use the plastic pitchers to pour water from the barrel into the water cups, filling the cups half full. This will help runners to avoid spillage. Water will be poured into Talking Rain water cups only. Gatorade will be poured into Gatorade cups only. Using the foam core boards, stack 3 layers of pre-poured cups. Make sure that the boards are clean before stacking. This is a large race, so the more prepared cups you have, the better. The Gatorade team should place a barrel liner in each Gatorade barrel and duct tape 2 sides. For mixing Gatorade, refer to the instructions provided in the plastic sheet protectors. The ratio will be 5 gallons of water to 1 gallon of Gatorade powder. Note that a complete box of Talking Rain water equals 5 gallons. Pour the powder gradually and mix thoroughly with the stirring paddle, ensuring that no clumps are left on the bottom of the container. The runners will get the full benefit of the Gatorade only when it is mixed properly. Use the plastic pitchers to pour Gatorade from the barrel into the Gatorade cups, filling the cups to half full. As with the water, use clean foam core boards for stacking up to 3 layers of cups. When not in use, cover the mixing container with a clean piece of foam core and place the pitcher in a plastic bag to keep everything clean. Once 75% of the water and Gatorade inventory is layered on their respective tables, one person should begin setting up the first aid table. Before the first runners arrive, refer to the instructions for approximate time. Volunteers should line up in front of the tables and hand cups to the runners, calling out loudly what they have. The water team will yell water. The Gatorade team will yell Gatorade. This will keep the traffic flowing and keep runners from causing congestion at the tables. Additional volunteers can be behind the tables refilling the supply. Keep the course clear for runners by raking up empty cups and garbage. Bag up the piles as needed. Here are some water station tips. Prepare for the possibility of wet, windy, and cold weather. Wear warm clothes and good shoes so that you can be as comfortable as possible. Bringing extra food and hot drinks is also a good idea. Use care in handling the beverages, keeping everything sanitary and clean to avoid contamination. Make sure to clean all foam core boards before using them. Keep the water and Gatorade barrels covered and separated from garbage bins. Work with your teams and use your prep time wisely. Our water stations remain open for the final runners. Please stay at your water station until advised by the water coordinator to close down your station. After the event, gather all garbage into one pile on the sidewalk. A truck will come by to collect all garbage. In a second pile, collect all remaining supplies and equipment, including anything left in the storage unit. The unit should be left completely empty. Place the unit's lock and key in the first aid kit and leave the kit with the equipment pile. A second truck will gather all these remaining supplies. Further instructions will come from your water coordinator. Thank you for taking the time to watch this training video. Without the help of well-trained water station volunteers, this event could not be the success that it is.